Modern kitchen trends open up the wall space to add scope for latest styles and patterns for backsplash area. Backsplash area can be a key focal point of any kitchen space, and it elevates the overall appeal when it blended with countertops and cabinet space. Welcome to House Talks channel. Thank you for joining today. If you are looking for inspiration for a kitchen renovation project or even a quick upgrade, you will find the best kitchen backsplash ideas in this video. Let's explore the modern and latest kitchen backsplash styles and how it connects overall kitchen space. Modern and trendy alternative to a tile backsplash is to extend the countertop material to the backsplash. If you have fallen in love with design, texture, and color for your countertops, you can maximize the beauty and the benefits by extending the design to your backsplash. If you choose a quartz countertop, you can have that same beautiful quartz extended to the backsplash. The most talked about benefit of a solid slab of quartz as a backsplash is that it offers a sense of luxury and modernity to a kitchen space. Marble can be as traditional or as modern as you want it to be, based on the materials selected and pair with it. The solid marble backsplash blends seamlessly with the countertops and create a beautiful symmetry in kitchen space and adds an inviting atmosphere. The backsplash is a good opportunity to introduce personal style or to bring a surprising pop of color in the kitchen. Selecting a contrast color with striking pattern from surrounding elements such as the cabinetry and countertops will create visual interest. If you feel the content of this video is useful, please consider to like the video for channel encouragement, and do not forget to subscribe to House Talks channel for home interior ideas and home gardening content. With available materials, patterns and styles, there are endless options of finishes to choose from to keep traditional look and make it up to latest trends. There are dozens of finishes you can choose from, depending on what kind of style you want for your backsplash wall, or your entire kitchen area. Bring best patterns without breaking the bank. Mosaic style with mixed materials open up ample options. To customize the backsplash wall, choose the pattern that fits to the available wall space. Most importantly, make sure you choose tonal grout to blend in style with the tile pattern.